Hi guys, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor. In today's video, we'll discuss the symptoms of a bad starter. The starter is responsible for turning the engine over and getting it running. Compare a bad starter to a faulty key or lock on your front door. Imagine you're trying to leave your house for work, but the key won't turn in the lock, or the lock is jammed. This is similar to a bad starter in a car that won't turn the engine over when you try to start it. If the starter is faulty, it won't be able to do its job effectively. This could be due to a worn-out solenoid or a malfunctioning motor. So, what are the dangers of a bad starter? Inability to start the engine. A bad starter makes it hard for your car to start and run. Damage to other car components. A faulty starter can put additional strain on your car's battery and alternator, leading to damage or failure. Reduced fuel efficiency. A damaged starter increases fuel consumption as the engine struggles to start. Now, what are the common symptoms to look out for? Clicking noise. This is the most common symptom of a bad starter, and it happens when turning the key. Slow engine cranking. If the starter is faulty, the engine will crank slowly or struggle to start. Grinding noise. This indicates that the starter gear is not engaging correctly with the flywheel. Frequent stalling. A bad starter can cause the engine to stall while driving. Burning smell. If you smell a burning odor when trying to start your car, it could be an indicator that the starter is damaged. To sum up, here's a quick tip on how to fix the issue. A bad starter is not something to ignore, as it can leave you stranded, since you can't start your car when the starter is faulty. If you notice any of the above symptoms in your car, take it to a professional mechanic to fix the starter immediately. Thanks for watching.